The first direction is to type Gmail into your web browser, gmail.com. Okay? Then you are going to put in your username, which is the exact way you log onto the computer at school. Add k12.smcps.org. Okay? Once you do that, you're going to put in your lunch number with a 18 at the end. It says, open the email from me titled 5th grade promotion. Actually is titled with the name of the folder because I shared the folder. So Gibbons Photos, I'm going to click on that. Yours will have your teacher's name there. Then it says click open. And then it says right click. You want to select upload files. And this is where you're going to have to ask your parents, where has your baby picture and your recent picture been saved? Once you find it, there's a very good chance it's under pictures. You're going to click on that file that you want, and then you hit open. Your file is uploading. Go ahead and right-click on that file, hit rename. You are renaming this your last name, not mine, yours, your first initial, and the number 1 for your first picture. Click OK, and here's the picture. Okay? Other people will be adding to this, so please do not click on other people's pictures. Please do not rename or delete pictures that are already in the file. That is a little bit tricky for this shared file business. If you have any questions, please send me an email or give me a phone call. Thank you. I know you can do it.